मुझे यकीन है कि ये योजना सफल होगी। आई एम श्योर दिस प्लान विल सक्सीड। आई एम श्योर दिस प्लान विल सक्सीड। उसने हर कदम पर पूरी तैयारी रखी। ही वॉज फुली प्रिपेयर्ड एट एवरी स्टेप। ही वॉज फुली प्रिपेयर्ड एट एवरी स्टेप। तुमने किसी की सलाह क्यों नहीं मानी? Why didn't you take anyone's advice? Why did not you take anyone's advice? मुझे लगता है कि तुम इसे संभाल लोगे। I feel you will manage this. I feel you will manage this. उसने हर प्रक्रिया को बड़े ध्यान से सीखा। He learned every process very carefully. He learned every process very carefully. तुमने उसे फ़ोन क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you call him? Why did not you call him? मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि तुम इतनी जल्दी क्यों मान गए। I didn't understand why you agreed so quickly. I did not understand why you agreed so quickly. उसने मेहनत करके सबको प्रभावित कर दिया। He impressed everyone with his hard work. He impressed everyone with his hard work. तुमने जो कहा वह मुझे हिलाकर रख दिया। What you said shook me. What you said shook me. मुझे यकीन था कि तुम सही रास्ता अपनाओगे। I was sure you would take the right path. I was sure you would take the right path. उसने हर एक विवरण ध्यानपूर्वक नोट किया। He noted every detail carefully. He noted every detail carefully. तुम हमेशा अपनी चीज़ों को इतनी जल्दी क्यों तय कर लेते हो? Why do you always decide things so quickly? Why do you always decide things so quickly? मुझे लगता है कि तुमसे बेहतर कोई नहीं कर सकता। I feel no one can do better than you. I feel no one can do better than you. उसने पूरी तैयारी करके यह काम शुरू किया। He started the work after complete preparation. He started the work after complete preparation. आप किसे फॉलो करते हैं? Whom do you follow? Whom do you follow? आपको जीवन में क्या चाहिए? What do you want in life? What do you want in life? आपका सपना क्या है? What is your dream? What is your dream? आपको किस बात से डर लगता है? What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? आप किससे प्रेरित होते हैं? Who inspires you? Who inspires you? आपकी सबसे बड़ी ताकत क्या है? What is your biggest strength? What is your biggest strength? आप किसे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं? Whom do you like the most? Whom do you like the most? क्या आप अपना रास्ता जानते हैं? Do you know your way? Do you know your way? आप क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? क्या आपको चाय चाहिए? Do you want tea? Do you want tea? क्या आपको बाहर घूमना पसंद है? Do you enjoy going out? Do you enjoy going out? क्या आप पानी पियोगे? Will you drink some water? Will you drink some water? आपने आखिरी किताब कौन सी पढ़ी? Which was the last book you read? Which was the last book you read? आपको किस तरह की किताबें पसंद हैं? What kind of books do you like? What kind of books do you like? मैंने तुम्हारे लिए कुछ लिया है। I got something for you. I got something for you. तुम यहाँ कैसे आए? How did you come here? How did you come here? आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। I am very happy today. I am very happy today. तुम्हें जल्दी उठना चाहिए। You should wake up early. You should wake up early. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? मुझे यह पसंद नहीं आया। I didn't like this. I did not like this. मैं अभी थोड़ा बाहर जाऊंगा। I will go out for a while. I will go out for a while. क्या आप इसे पूरा कर सकते हैं? Can you complete this? Can you complete this? मैं इसमें अच्छा नहीं हूँ। I'm not good at this. I'm not good at this. मुझे यह समझाने की ज़रूरत है। I need to explain this. I need to explain this. मैं यह क्यों करूं? Why should I do this? Why should I do this? मुझे यह बात अच्छी नहीं लगी। I didn't like this thing. I did not like this thing. मैं इसे भूल नहीं सकता। I can't forget this. I can't forget this. मुझे डर लग रहा है। I am feeling scared. I am feeling scared. मैं अभी नहीं जानता। I don't know yet. I do not know yet. मुझे लगता है कि वह इस काम में माहिर है। I think he is an expert in this work. I think he is an expert in this work. तुमने किसी को बुलाने से पहले मुझसे क्यों नहीं पूछा? Why didn't you ask me before calling anyone? Why did not you ask me before calling anyone? उसने हर कदम सोच समझकर उठाया। He took every step thoughtfully. He took every step thoughtfully. तुम हमेशा इतनी तेजी से सीख क्यों जाते हो? Why do you learn so quickly? Why do you learn so quickly? मुझे नहीं पता कि तुम इसे कैसे संभालोगे। I don't know how will you handle this. I do not know how will you handle this. उसने काम को बड़ी निपुणता से किया। He executed the work with great skill. He executed the work with great skill. तुमने मुझे कभी गलत साबित क्यों किया? Why did you try to prove me wrong? Why did you try to prove me wrong? इसे तुरंत बंद करो। Turn it off immediately. Turn it off immediately. तुम इसे अकेले क्यों करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? Why are you trying to do this alone? Why are you trying to do this alone? मैंने कभी उम्मीद नहीं की थी कि वह इतनी मेहनत करेगा। I never expected him to work so hard. I never expected him to work so hard. मुझे यकीन है कि तुम सही रास्ता अपनाओगे। I'm sure you will take the right path. I'm sure you will take the right path. उसने योजना को विस्तार से समझाया। He explained the plan in detail. He explained the plan in detail. मुझे लगा कि तुम इसे अकेले नहीं कर पाओगे। I thought you wouldn't be able to do it alone. I thought you would not be able to do it alone. उसने सारी जानकारी ध्यान से पढ़ी। He read all the information carefully. He read all the information carefully. तुम हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करने में आगे क्यों रहते हो? Why are you always eager to help others? Why are you always eager to help others? मुझे यकीन नहीं था कि वह इतनी मेहनत करेगा। I didn't expect him to work this hard. I did not expect him to work this hard. तुमने यह काम इतनी जल्दी क्यों खत्म कर लिया? Why did you finish this task so quickly? Why did you finish this task so quickly? उसे फोन कर दो। Call him. Call him. उसने इस काम को बहुत बारीकी से सीखा है। He has learned this work very meticulously. He has learned this work very meticulously. मैं इसे अकेले नहीं कर सकता। I can't do this alone. I can't do this alone. मुझे यह काम मुश्किल लग रहा है। I find this work difficult. I find this work difficult. क्या आप इसे फिर से समझा सकते हैं? Can you explain this again? Can you explain this again? मैं थक गया हूँ। I am tired. I am tired. मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि वह क्या कर रहा है। I didn't understand what he was saying. I did not understand what he was saying. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? मैं अभी तैयार नहीं हूँ। I am not ready yet. I am not ready yet. मुझे यह पसंद नहीं आया। I didn't like this. I did not like this. मैं यह करना नहीं चाहता। I don't want to do this. I do not want to do this. मुझे यह समझ नहीं आता। I don't understand this. I do not understand this. मैं यह कर सकता हूँ। I can do this. I can do this. इसे बंद करो। Turn it off. Turn it off. मुझे यकीन है कि तुम इसे संभाल लोगे। I'm sure you will manage this. I'm sure you will manage this. तुमने यह काम इतनी जल्दी क्यों पूरा कर लिया? Why did you finish this task so quickly? Why did you finish this task so quickly? उसने अपनी गलती तुरंत मान ली। He immediately admitted his mistake. He immediately admitted his mistake. तुम इतनी आसानी से हार क्यों मान लेते हो? Why do you give up so easily? Why do you give up so easily? मैंने सोचा था कि तुम इसे नहीं कर पाओगे। I thought you wouldn't be able to do this. I thought you would not be able to do this. वह काम में माहिर है। He is skilled in this work. He is skilled in this work. उसे कॉल करने से पहले मुझे बता दो। Tell me before calling him. Tell me before calling him. तुम हमेशा जल्दी निर्णय क्यों ले लेते हो? Why do you make decisions so quickly? Why do you make decisions so quickly? मुझे लगता है कि यह काम कठिन होगा। I think this task will be difficult. I think this task will be difficult. इसे अभी बंद करो. Turn it off now. Turn it off now. उसने सारी जानकारी ध्यान से पढ़ी. He read all the information carefully. He read all the information carefully. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.